Welcome. With our new CatDV Worker Node plugin, we integrate seamlessly with OpenAI's Whisper, providing advanced transcription and translation capabilities directly within your CatDV library. Whether you're a media production company, an educational institution, or a legal team managing multimedia content, this integration simplifies and enhances your transcription workflows. Whisper's advanced speech recognition enables fast, accurate metadata extraction from audio and video, enhancing content organization and freeing your team for high-value tasks, boosting productivity in your CatDV environment. In order to begin, you will need to ensure you are on the right version of the software. You will need a Pegasus server version 10.7.1, the Worker Node version 9.2.10, and the CatDV Whisper plugin version 1.0. Additionally, you will need to have a license to your Whisper Worker plugin. Please contact us to obtain one. We offer two plugin files, one for Windows and one for macOS, so be sure to choose the right one for your system. At this time, a Linux version of the Worker plugin is not available. Choosing the right plugin. The Windows plugin is designed for x64 systems. You can choose between the CPU-only or GPU-optimized version. If you have an NVIDIA GPU, use the GPU version. Whisper supports CUDA acceleration for better performance. The macOS plugin is optimized for Apple Silicon M-series chips. GPU acceleration isn't supported on Mac yet due to PyTorch's limited MPS support. Since MPS is still in beta, Whisper currently runs only on CPU on Mac. To begin, launch your Worker node and click on Edit Config. Once launched, switch over to the Graphical tab. Drag the .catdv file into the graphical window to install the plugin. Wait until the installation is complete and you're ready to start transcribing. To start using the plugin to perform transcriptions, create a new server query worker action. Select the CatDV field of your choice to perform the query on. We have selected for the clip's status field. When the status is set to transcribe, the worker will run the job. Give your server query action a name. Click OK. At your newly created worker action, drag the transcribe step under the Whisper AI section into your workflow. There are 6 different Whisper models to use, with options offering a balance between speed and accuracy. The default setting for the language of audio is Smart Detect. This works well for environments where your clips have a diverse range of language. If you have a primary language your clips are in, you can set it to a specific language. You can define your own marker category. This is where the transcriptions will be published on the CatDV server. You can also output the transcriptions into a subtitle file. Formats SRT and VTT supported. You just need to check the checkboxes of either or both. You can also translate the transcriptions. Right now, Whisper only supports translating from different languages into English. Change the translate marker category to your custom value. And if you want to generate a subtitle file, simply check the subtitle boxes. Once the worker action is configured, go to your CatDV web client and set a clip status to transcribe. Click Save to publish changes. Your worker will run the Whisper transcribe action to perform the transcription. Once the transcribing is complete, the job will turn green. Go back to your web client. Click on the clip that was just submitted. Click on the Markers tab on the Clips panel. The transcriptions are converted into markers. To view markers on the web client player, add the marker categories set in the worker action, such as transcribe_marker and translate_marker. Go to the admin page by clicking on the gear icon at the top right. Once redirected, go to the Customization tab. Then click on Marker Categories. Select your group and click on the New button. In the dialog, insert the name of your transcription marker category. Select the color of your choice. Finally, check Markers represent subtitles to display markers as subtitles in the player. You can also add the name of your translation marker category. Your Clips player should now have a gear icon to toggle between available subtitles. If you've set translation to follow transcription, Translate Markers will appear as a subtitle option too. Switching to it will display the translated text. If you opt to generate subtitles, you will find either SRT or VT file in the same folder of the submitted clip. And the same happens for translations, with a _en suffix at the file name, indicating it's translated to English. You are now ready to optimize your workflows with our powerful new Worker plugin. For more details and info regarding our Whisper plugin, visit our docs site at catdv-docs.services.quantum.com. See you again next time.